it's Caitlin. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm just like chilling in bed and I got my December Birchbox. So we're gonna do it this way. I mean, I'm not really like actually doing Vlogmas, but vaguely, I guess, kind of sort of you could say. I'm just kind of doing this more vlog style, I guess. I don't know. I don't really want to get out of bed. Okay, I can't turn the camera around, but like, can we see? Like, there's one, there's two. Hey, Pepper girl. Yeah. And like, can you really blame me? I don't want to get out of bed with all the babies right there. I've talked about this before. I've just not been happy with Birchbox for like the last year. And I think this is gonna be it. If this box blows me away, maybe not, but unless it really does blow me away, I'm just gonna I'm gonna cancel it. You can't unsubscribe until it's like the month that you did that you did subscribe in, which for me is December, like a bunch of years ago, like 14 or something, 13 maybe, I don't know. I've been a Birchbox subscriber for a long time. So yeah, I know I could have gotten like cuter for this last Birchbox, but why? There's no need. I'm already cute enough. See? So cute. Okay, so box. Super cute and pretty, as they like always are. The boxes are pretty much always very nice. It's like this really, I don't know, like a purpley pink and then like blue. It's nice. And gold accents. I like it's nice. It's pretty. Also, I've got my heated blanket on, so why do I want to leave my heated blanket bed? Okay, so this is, what does it say? No matter the festive fete, planned or last minute, we hope this box helps the spirited, joyful vibes you sent out this season come back to you full circle. And hello, young ma'am. What are you doing here, missy? Hello, does it smell good? Yeah, does it? Just because it smells good, it's not a reason to keep it, pet. You can come closer if you want, though. Okay, this one's got a bunch of bonuses. It's got probably like little like shampoo packets, like it tends to if it's stuff. Let's see. Let's see. So there is a $10 off code. So I guess it's probably just for subscribers, but it's $10 off any $50 or plus purchase, and it's one-time use only, like per time, I guess, per customer. But if you want $10 off of Birchbox or whatever, 10 for 2018, boom, right? Is that the right way around? I can't quite tell, but still, it's 10 for 2018, so boom, there you go. Okay, so yeah, unless this box blows me away, I don't know. Do I need another subscription box? I don't. Like, I really don't need to have so many subscription boxes. Do I? No. So that's there's an eyelash curler. Okay, that's pretty cool. It seems like it's Birchbox brand. Sorry, that's probably loud. What does it say in here? Does it say anything? Oh, this is a bonus. Okay. Wow, I guess. But I don't curl my eyelashes. Like, I can't open this. Hold on. So it comes like with this little plastic thing to like keep it in, and it extends pretty far. I mean, I'll try it, but I don't know, it feels actually kind of uncomfortable to hold. It's so big. Like, it keeps sliding out of my hand, like, as I'm trying to just, like, hold it. It, like, when I let it go far enough, it just wants to, like, slide down. I don't know. Probably just takes time getting used to, but this is awkward. I mean, I'm not left-handed, but I don't know. I just don't curl my eyelashes. I just don't. What else is there? There's Davines, Davines Menu Conditioner, Davines Menu Hair Serum, because there's like a mini size of the Menu shampoo. So then the hair serum and the conditioner are foil packet bonuses along with the eyelash curler. We would have an eyelash curler as a bonus, but I mean, it's normally apparently $13. But like I said, I don't curl my eyelashes anyway. Like, I just don't. But a shampoo, I'm not against having shampoos. I've had some of the Davine stuff before. It's fine. Not really ever like my favorite. And then there's this Wish Botanical Primer. I wonder how it smells. So there's a lot of squeezing just to get like this dollop out. So it seems like it's only half full anyway. Doesn't smell like a lot, but let's see how it feels, it feels more like a moisturizer than a primer, but, you know, okay, I guess. Still doesn't smell like a lot. I've had several of the Wish products before. They're not ever my favorite, but they're not bad. I mean, so far this box is not blowing me away. And then there's something from Sunday Riley, which does seem pretty cool, but I mean, it's hard to tell even with a sample like this. So this is the Rapid Flash Brightening Serum, the CEO stuff. So it's the vitamin C and E, plus a bunch of antioxidants to fade dark spots and tighten pores and plump skin. So, you know, I'm very interested to try this for sure. I've heard a lot of people love it, but I had the other one everyone loves, like the white packaged one. It didn't like do anything for me, and I mean, I only could use it for like a week because it was, you know, a little tiny sample, but still, even then, it didn't like do anything for me. I don't know, but that's the coolest thing. But I could probably buy a sample that would last longer and actually give me an idea. And then there's this perfume, Myrrh. What is this? Solenotes Paris, Myrrh Eau de Parfum, Mirror. I don't know. It smells okay, I guess. See, and then like it's a dropper one, so let me open this up. It doesn't really smell like much. It smells kind of just like sugar, I guess. I don't know. And then there's this MAC Extreme Black Mascara, which I got as a free sample when I made a MAC order ages ago, which was just for the look at this. Can you see this? It's like a hole in there that like I can put my finger in. Weird. When I got the Star Trek lipsticks, like that's the only MAC stuff I have are the Star Trek lipsticks, and this was like the free order, and I just gave this to my cousin at Thanksgiving. I just gave it to her because I'm like, I don't need another like thing, and it's tiny and she can use it because she's like 15 and she'll like it. Yeah, so you know, I mean, the perfume seems kind of nice, but I just bought a perfume with like my 25 off 50 from Sephora. Eyelash curler, some sort of primer. Does it say what this primer does? Prep your complexion with this primer that balances, moisturizes, and protects using a blend of Japanese honeysuckle, organic safflower seed oil, and sea buckthorn extract. I don't know. And then like some hair stuff, shampoo, conditioner, hair oil, which sure, I like hair oil. And then the Sunday Riley thing, which that's the best part. Yeah, yeah, I am gonna be unsubscribing from Birchbox. I'll probably do it later today, like actually hit the button, just because I mean, like that's what I'm getting for 10 bucks. Still, the perfume is nice, don't get me wrong, like that seems like it could be a really nice thing, but I can get a sample of perfume for free at like anywhere basically. And then the CEO Sunday Riley thing, I don't know, I wasn't really interested in it anyway. But sure, I'll try it out, I'll use it up. That's just kind of, to me, kind of meh. And the shampoo and eyelash curler, I don't curl my lashes. I just don't curl my lashes. Yeah, I don't really think it's worth the 10 bucks. It's just been, you know, I've had some things that I found in the past that, like, are amazing. And I will keep buying. I do still buy from Birchbox, and I will. I, like, just got stuff from Birchbox, like, last week. But I don't think I'm going to stay subscribed to the box. At least not for a while. Okay, so let's talk about last month's box, which is right over here. So this was last month. Also, what do I keep doing with all these boxes? So we got these makeup wipes. Did not like these. They were like not cool. Like they were not cooling. They were not wet at all. They were very dry. They did take my makeup off, but I don't like makeup wipes. The soap level naturals I am still using in the shower. I haven't finished it. But, you know, it's nice. It's a soap. It's nice. I haven't had a chance to try out this Label M Diamond Dust Leave-In Cream. I only have so much hair, and I have so many hair products. And I don't really like I don't really like just switching them up. I don't know. I just kind of like using one until it's gone. And then the Smashbox Radiance Primer I have been using. I used most of the other one up, and then I broke into this one earlier last week. My plan is to squeeze out all I can, and then when I have the 2 of them like squeezed out, then I'll cut them open and put them in a pot, because then I can use them up that way. And this cream blush from Lacquer & Co. or blush highlighter, whatever. I'm not, it's a pretty shade, but I'm just not into it. Tried it the one time. Don't really care for it. Like, I'm just not into creams. Liquids, I could probably be more adjusted into, especially for highlighters, but I don't know, that wouldn't be a highlight on me. Like, it wouldn't be an actual highlight. It could be a glowy blush, but it wouldn't be an actual highlight. It's too much pigment for that. So, yeah, that was last month. And again, see, like, there's a reason I'm not, like, sorry, I got very close there. There's a reason I'm not running out to go, like, get more stuff. I haven't bought anything from the box for a really long time, except that, like, deep sleep spray thing. That one, I actually really like that. I bought it and it's actually kind of working for me. But other than that, I haven't gotten something in a box in like the past year and like, oh, I need to have this. So there's no reason to, I mean, that's the whole point of the box, right? It's to get stuff, try it out, and then be like, OMG, I need this. Otherwise, there's no point to it. I'll probably do a bit of a review on this in about a month, like the newest box, but there won't be another Birchbox unboxing after this, unless, I don't know, they step up their game by like 100 million times. There'll still be Sephora Play, there'll still be Ipsy, and yeah, so there's that. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope this was kind of interesting. It's a slightly different view, and like, I'm still in bed, and now there's a cat looking at me because they want something. Yeah, I'll see you guys in another time, another place, another space. And until then, be well, be happy, be healthy, and as always, go pet a cat. Bye.